If you've seen perklovely.com online, you might be wondering one thing. Is this website actually legit, or should you stay away? So, I decided to take a closer look. First, one thing stands out. There doesn't seem to be much reliable information about perklovely.com from established review platforms. That makes it harder to confirm who is behind the website and whether customers are actually receiving what they order. And that matters. When shopping online, I always check a few basic things. Who owns the website? How long has the domain existed? Are there real customer reviews? And is there a clear way to contact the company? Another warning sign is when a store has very little independent feedback. Reviews shown directly on a website are not enough. You want to see experiences from people outside the store itself. Scam awareness guidance also recommends checking independent reviews and being careful with prices that seem too good to be true. Now, does this automatically prove perklovely.com is a scam? No, I wouldn't make that claim without stronger evidence. But I also wouldn't rush to place an order. If you're thinking about buying something from the site, do your homework first. Check the company details. Look for independent reviews. Read the refund policy. And use a payment method that offers buyer protection. Personally, I'd be cautious until there is more trustworthy information available.